The Barreto Manufacturing 920LS and 922LS log splitters are some of the most durable and longest-standing pieces of Barreto manufacturing equipment. Utilizing a powerful 20-ton 4-inch or 22-ton 4.5-inch hydraulic ram, powered by an always reliable Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine, this log splitter has the power to push through the toughest wood and the longevity to last for several years. The 920LS and 922LS log splitters have features that make it stand apart from similar pieces of equipment. They feature a 790-pound frame with tremendous stability while in use or tow. And the log splitters are easily moved on the road behind any truck or SUV. The 920LS and 922LS log splitters are easily transitioned from a horizontal position to a vertical splitting position for heavy or oversized firewood logs. And the engine is mounted on rubber isolators to protect it while in operation or while being towed. With safety always in mind, the 920LS and 922LS log splitters feature a two-handed control system, log cradle, and spring-loaded wedge cleaner to easily remove logs that are stuck on the wedge. And these machines are designed with low and easy maintenance in mind, with 2 easy-to-access grease zerks and a 7-gallon hydraulic reservoir. Like all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the log splitters are safe and easy to use. Whether you're looking to buy the ultimate log splitter for your home and personal use, a commercial firewood contractor, or a rental business, the Barreto Manufacturing 920LS and 922LS log splitters will give you incredible return on investment for years to come. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing log splitters are proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From the laser cutting of the parts out of American steel, to the welding, powder coating, and the final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in landscaping and tree service equipment.